Welcome back to Add Art. Now today's Add Art is for a little boy called Max. He requested a hippo, so that's what we're going to draw today. Should we make a start? First we'll draw an eye. They have quite small eyes, hippos, but big heads. Second eye. We'll have him looking up at his back, and that'll become clear as to why he's doing that as we finish this drawing. We have these kind of deep eye sockets, so we'll put a pair of those in. This huge bulbous nose that comes down and out, and comes up a little bit, down, comes all the way up. Put the nostrils in, put the bottom of his jaw in as well. So draw the head up there. Finish off these eye sockets a little bit, and up and around. Just stop there to put an ear in. Point, almost like a leaf. Quite small ears for the size of them. And across to the other ear. Just like that. Some of these folds in its skin, and a very smooth but tough looking skin. Put a smile in there. Get his back, comes up and around. It's up a bit. Nice, powerful, stubby legs come into a shoulder. Really wide tree trunky legs at the bottom. Some more of these folds in first. Bring the leg down into the toes. Apparently hippos can stay underwater for quite some time. They resurface every 3 to 5 minutes to breathe. And even if they're sleeping underwater, they will rise automatically, apparently, to take a breath. And they won't even wake up, which is amazing. Little toenails in. We'll have this one stood on the side of a riverbank. They like to roll around in the mud to stay cool. They're actually quite graceful underwater, which is surprising given the size of them. Don't look like they'd be particularly good at swimming, but if you have a look at some videos of them swimming underwater, you'll see what I mean. They're actually quite elegant. Some little folds in the back of his leg there. Small toes. Toenails. Bring the belly across. Another surprising fact is they can actually run really fast as well. They can run up to 30 kilometers an hour, which would be pretty scary if one of these was chasing you. They have these kind of stretches in their skin. And they often have these deep marks where they've been fighting with other hippos. They have huge tusks in their jaw and powerful jaws as well. When they fight, they sometimes score each other's skin. And this is what he was looking up at. A little bird on his back. These little birds sit on the backs and nibble on the ticks that tend to gather on the backs of hippos. Win-win for everyone. His wing in. countryside. You mainly find hippos throughout Africa. They can sometimes travel on land from up to 10 kilometres looking for food, but they like to mainly hang round a water's edge to keep cool. The sun in there. Shadow. Some little detail in this mudded area. Some of the little birds perhaps flying towards his back. And there we have it. There is Max's hippo. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Do remember to subscribe so you see all the new ad arts that appear. And if you've enjoyed this, give me a little like at the bottom there, the thumb. And if you want to make a suggestion like Max did, then get a grown-up to leave me a comment on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king. But that's it for today. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.